The Invoices tab can be used to find all of the invoice and receipt documents that have been created by the system for your tenants. To access this information, simply select Invoices from the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you will find a list of invoices along with who they were given to and when they were created. Selecting the invoice numbers from the list will open the document PDF. You can also use the Action button on the right side to resend the document. To find a specific document, you can use the filters and search bar on the left side. If you would like to export the list, you can use the Export option in the top right. Here, you can choose either Excel or PDF files. Excel is a bit better to manage your information, but PDF is often more print-friendly. You can also select Payments from the top of your screen to receive a similar screen, but for receipts. Here, you will have the same options for filtering, invoice viewing, and exporting as you do with invoices. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.